Hello, my name is Calvin Brown. I live in Madison, Mississippi. I am a retired Sergeant First Class from the United States Army of 33 years. I am a JROTC instructor at Holmes County Central High School in Lexington, Mississippi. I am married to Cassandra. We have 11 kids. We are a blended family, and we have 16 great-grandkids. My hobbies include I like doing flight simulations. I have my ground license for piloting helicopters. I also love RVing and tailgating. Big question, why I chose Fort Hays State. Well, I had a workshop here in Jackson for the JROTC, and Mr. Tucker, which is a military ed counselor for the JROTC program, was talking to me during a break about the great things that's happening and going on at Fort Hays State. Different type of degrees that was also points for us in JROTC program as far as progression, not as rank but in position. So I said this is the one for me. And plus it works well with your GI Bill or your 911. And my future plans in administration is to become an assistant principal at elementary level. Thanks to Fort Hays State for the opportunity to purge this degree. It was challenging, but it was totally worth it. Thank you so much.